Welcome everyone to another insightful journey into the realm of the mind. Today, we're diving into a topic that holds the power to shape our lives in ways we might not fully comprehend, the most impactful decision you will ever make. Decisions are the building blocks of our lives. From the mundane choices we make each day to the life-altering ones, they all contribute to the narrative of our existence. But amidst this vast array of decisions, there's one that stands out, a decision that transcends the boundaries of time and echoes throughout our lives. Before we unveil this decision, let's journey into the intricate web of human psychology. Our minds, complex and multifaceted, are the architects of our decisions. Every choice we make is a result of the interplay between our conscious and subconscious minds. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for unraveling the secret behind the most impactful decision. Imagine your mind as an iceberg. The conscious mind is the tip visible above the water, representing only a small fraction of the entire structure. The subconscious mind, hidden beneath the surface, holds the key to unlocking the most impactful decision. So here we are standing at the crossroads of life. The most impactful decision you will ever make is about choosing your mindset. Our mindset, the lens through which we perceive the world, shapes our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It influences how we navigate challenges, embrace opportunities, and ultimately define our happiness and success. Now, let's explore two fundamental mindsets that often determine the course of our lives: the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. The fixed mindset is rooted in the belief that our abilities, intelligence, and talents are fixed traits. People with a fixed mindset avoid challenges, fearing failure, as it threatens their self-image. On the other hand, the growth mindset thrives on challenges, seeing them as opportunities to learn and grow. Research shows that individuals with a growth mindset tend to achieve more, embrace resilience, and view effort as the path to mastery. The most impactful decision lies in choosing to cultivate a growth mindset, opening the door to endless possibilities. Consider the stories of successful individuals who attribute their achievements not to inherent talent, but to a relentless commitment to learning and improvement. From Thomas Edison to Elon Musk, they all share a common thread: a growth mindset. I want you to think about your own life. Have you ever let a fear of failure hold you back? Or have you embraced challenges, viewing them as stepping stones toward personal development? Changing your mindset is not an overnight process, but the decision to embark on this journey is the most impactful one you can make. It's about rewiring your brain, challenging limiting beliefs, and fostering a mindset that propels you forward. So, how can you start cultivating a growth mindset today? Begin by embracing challenges, learning from criticism, and acknowledging that effort is the path to mastery. Surround yourself with positivity and seek inspiration from those who embody the growth mindset. Remember, the most impactful decision is not a one-time event. It's a continuous commitment to choosing growth over stagnation. As we wrap up this exploration into the most impactful decision you will ever make, I leave you with a challenge. Reflect on your mindset, identify areas for growth, and make a conscious decision to embrace the journey of continuous improvement. Your mindset shapes your reality, and the most impactful decision you will ever make is within your grasp. Share your journey with us, and let's inspire each other to choose growth, resilience, and a mindset that propels us toward a fulfilling and successful life. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of the most impactful decision you will ever make, the decision to choose your mindset. As we navigate the intricate landscapes of our minds, let's remember that every small shift in perspective contributes to our personal growth. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us create content that resonates with your own journey of self-discovery. Connect with us on social media, share your thoughts, and let's build a community that fosters growth and positivity. Remember, the power to transform your life lies in the choices you make every day. Until next time, choose growth, embrace challenges, and always strive to be the architect of your own mindset. Here's to the most impactful decision: you taking control of your narrative.